Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Anaconda on your Windows 11 PC so you can run Python code with Anaconda. So first you just need to open a browser, just go to Google Chrome and search for Anaconda download, and here you'll find the first link here, which is anaconda.com. Click on this and now you need to download this, so just click on this skip registration, and here you'll find the installer, which is Anaconda distribution Windows 64-bit graphical installer. So just click on this and it will start to download on your PC, which is 1 GB. So I have already downloaded it, so I'm just going to close it and going to the download folder where I have downloaded the exe file. So this is the exe file. So I'm just going to double click. As you can see, installer is verifying the installer and this is the installer. So I'm going to just minimize it and you need to just click next here. Now click on I agree, then just click just for me, then click next. Now here you can change the location where you want to install. So I recommend you to install other than C folder because it's required a lot of space here. As you can see, now it's 6 GB. So now as you can see, I've changed the location to a new folder and just click next. Now I'll just let the system as the default theme. So just click install and it will start to install on your PC. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. So it took like 5 minutes to install. Now as you can see, installation has been complete. Just click next, click next. Now uncheck this and launch Anaconda Navigator. So just click finish. And it's going to launch the navigator of Anaconda. So for the first time, as you can see, it's going to take some time. So for the first time, as you can see, it has been open after a couple of seconds. And now as you can see, this is the Anaconda Navigator. You may need to sign in, but I'm just going to close. And here, as you can see, these are all the things that you need to get started for your Anaconda. Now, Jupyter is by default here, as you can see. So I'm just going to click launch here. It's going to take, and as you can see, Jupyter has been run on my browser. And now you can upload your project or you can select new, click Python. And it will start here on the next step, and now you can start to put Python here. So that's it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.